Hermit crabs.
Look at this guy. This guy thinks he fixes his frog.
Hey, Daddy. I'm taking a video.
No, Dad, don't. Don't. There's a feeding frenzy going on.
Did you pull them out of their shell again?
And feed them to big crabs on the beach.
You guys are terrible.
They just race for it. There are 3 holes. Right where you're standing, there are 3 holes, and we just throw a crab with no shell in the middle, and they'd all race for it and mangle it.
Feeding the big crabs.
Yeah, we're helping part of the ecosystem. There are too many hermits anyway.
Too many crabs in the ecosystem. Listen to Professor Hanson over here.
That's right.
We have to save them or else they'll die.
That's how you save them? By sacrificing the weak for the strong?
Yeah?
If there's too much of them, they'll all eat the food and then they'll starve to death. So we have to kill them or they'll die.
Putting them out of their misery, I see. Doesn't sound logical to me.
Ray, get away from the hole so that Dad watches them feed.